Electrical failures can totally mess up your home life, so knowing the common causes can save you a ton of hassle and keep things running smooth. Alright, so first off, overloaded circuits are a biggie. You gotta watch how many devices you plug into one outlet or circuit, or it'll trip and cut your power. Next, corroded connections happen when moisture or old age gets into your wiring, which can cause sparks or shorts. Regular checks help catch this early. Faulty wiring is like asking for trouble. If your home's wiring is outdated or DIY'd badly, it can lead to major failures, so always get a pro to inspect and fix stuff. Tripped breakers are your system's way of protecting itself, but if they keep flipping off, it means something's drawing too much power, or there's a short somewhere. Ground faults happen when electricity escapes its intended path, which can be dangerous, so ground fault circuit interrupters are a must in wet areas like kitchens and bathrooms. If you notice flickering lights or burning smells, it's time to call someone. Also, don't ignore buzzing sounds from outlets or panels. That's a red flag. Lastly, keep an eye on your electrical panel for rust or damage. That's often overlooked but super important. One of the biggest mistakes people make with electrical issues is ignoring small warning signs like flickering lights or frequent breaker trips. Fix it by getting an electrician to check your system before it gets worse. Another common problem is DIY wiring without proper knowledge. This can lead to faulty wiring and dangerous failures. Always hire licensed pros. Third, overloading circuits with too many gadgets causes breakers to trip and wires to overheat. The simple fix is spreading out your devices and upgrading your panel if needed. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking you up with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and won't charge an arm and a leg. Plus, if you're a contractor, it helps you find real jobs from homeowners who actually need your skills, making life easier all around.